In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete messages in Slack. Whether you're using the Slack desktop app, the mobile app, or even the browser version, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's get started by launching the Slack app. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be in your familiar workspace environment, ready to interact with your channels and direct messages. Now let's move on to locating the message you want to edit. Browse through your channels or direct messages to find the specific message. This could be one of your own messages that you need to correct or update. Once you locate it, editing is straightforward depending on your device. If you're on the desktop or web platform, hover your mouse over the message. This will reveal a few icons. Look for the icon resembling three dots, often referred to as the More Actions icon. Once you click it, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select Edit Message. If you're using a mobile device, the process is slightly different. Tap and hold on the message you want to edit, and from the menu that pops up, choose Edit Message. Next, go ahead and make the necessary changes. Perhaps there's a typo to fix or an update to add. Whatever the reason, adjust your text as needed. After making your changes, finalize them by pressing Enter on your desktop or tapping Save if you're on a mobile device. It's important to note that messages that have been edited will display an edited label, indicating to others that changes were made. Now, let's discuss how to delete a message. Once again, navigate to the specific channel or direct message where the message is located. If you're on the desktop or using the browser version, hover over the message to reveal the More Actions icon, those trusty three dots. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Delete Message. You'll then need to confirm that you want to delete the message. Similarly, on the mobile version, tap and hold on the message, select Delete Message from the menu, and confirm the deletion. Remember, once a message is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so be sure to double check that you really want to remove it before proceeding. And there you have it. Editing and deleting messages in Slack is a user-friendly process as long as you follow these steps. Whether you're correcting a simple mistake or need to remove a message entirely, Slack provides the tools for you to manage your communication effectively.